ResQ sends voice notifications and messages of your current location to saved contacts. Begin by creating a username. Now, add a known contact and form a group. For this, ask your contact as well to create a username. Now you see the contact here. Press it and done. Now the group is formed. To see that, you can check in this page. During emergencies, all you need to do is click the group and press the button, emergency button. There is a message.
Number 3, 2nd Main Road, Area, Gandhinagar, Adair, City, Chennai, State, Tamil Nadu, Country, India, Postal Code 600,020. Need help? Please rescue. SOS.
There is a voice notification of your current location. It gets repeated every minute.